Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Today I am here with you to share a quick review about Raw Essential. It's a skincare brand. They have all the products which are 100% pure and organic. These are few products which I will share with you. First one is orange scrub, which is organic orange sugar scrub. I'll give you few swatches and detailed review soon. Next one is under eye cream, which is based on coffee, and let me tell you, it smells really good. This is Aloe Vera Gel, and as mentioned, it's no artificial ingredients and no preservatives, and safe for all skin types. This is vanilla essential oil, and vanilla is my favorite, and it smells really good. This is wheat crumb carrier oil. It's very earthy and aromatic. It's good for nourishing and healing, and very concentrated. So I suggest that you should not use it concentrated and use it with olive oil or coconut oil. Last one is this bamboo brush, and as it's bamboo, it's eco-friendly. The bristles are not very soft, but I think it's good for the earth.